Hello. Good day. Today we're going to bring you to Singapore's largest ZipTrack center. Come, let's follow me and take a look. SmartZip Blinds is the most popular blinds in Singapore. Many will ask why. Because we are a local manufacturer who have years of experience since this product is being introduced in Singapore in 2015. Boasting our 10,000 square feet in-house production of more than over 40 staff, we have different departments like fabrication, assembly, QC and actual on-site technician and consultants. All with one common objective: to provide you with top quality SmartZip blinds with good service. Thank you so much for your time for touring the factory, and we see you soon.